So I've completed all the wiring on this truck. I got my little side markers with LEDs and reflectors, which are nice. They've come up nice. All wired up. I've got a few more clips to put on, and I put the junction box just behind here. Now I will put a little metal shield over that just to stop any more dirt, but there's no other place really to put it to get it out of the dirt and to be at the back, on the wet should I say. But one thing I noticed when I put the wiring in for the lights, the pattern is terrible. And I realised what the problem was, and I told you something and I didn't realise what the issue was. Keep look on that, and I'll put it on high and low. See? Although the lights need adjusting, I must admit, the problem is, let's have a look. I'll just open the door so we've got a bit more light. In these Britannica lights, there is a shield on the interior to deflect the light on, you know, like low beam, high beam. Now, let's go outside and have a look at some other lights which I've fitted LEDs into before with great success. These lights here on another Defender, and they're glass, but you can see it's got the H4 bulb in, but there's no deflector on it. Now, I'm going to take the deflectors off that one, and we're going to have a look and see what the difference in light pattern is. And I seem to recall that that's what I did many years ago when I put those other LED bulbs in, because the LED is top and bottom, and therefore what it does is it reflects off the top and bounces back. Well, if there's a shield there, you're going to get a terrible light pattern. So let's see what we can do. So I've done the left side bulb. I've taken out that little shield, and there is a distinct difference in the pattern, and you can tell straight away by looking at the light. I don't know if you can see it, but it's shadowed here, but the light's all at the top, so it's bouncing off the top and pointing down, whereas this one is full all over the place. And it is very difficult to see. I'll tell you what, I'll try and open the garage door. And see if you can see that difference. There's definitely a difference in the two. So I'm going to, and I haven't adjusted the lights yet, so I'll wait till it's dark to do that. And somebody else might be wanting to help. But anyway, that's a little bit about those lights. Just be careful of that. So this is a little bit of an addition. With the lights shields taken out, we have a distinctively better pattern than we had before. Like I say, it's broad daylight. This is on the back of my garage door, and I haven't adjusted the lamps yet. These are factory, so you can see there is a distinct difference in the two. There's dip and that's main. So we'll set them up at night, but again, by taking that shield out, it's made that pattern completely different. So if you've got LEDs, just be careful, just be aware of that, because I completely forgot, because this was a different brand of light that I usually use, these Britannica ones. I usually use YPAC ones, and so there was something to watch out for. Anyway, we'll chat to you later. Ta-da!